Pa, what can you say?
It's okay.
It's okay.
Hi guys! Nandito kami ngayon sa waiting area. Nakalagpas na sa immigration. Waiting na lang sa sa flight. Ayan. Christine Joyce.
Hi.
I'm with my kuya then.
Hello.
Who sponsored our trip to Vietnam.
Sponsor.
Sabi kasi sa immigration. Hi. Video.
Hello. Hello.
Yeah.
Morning.
We're here at Da Nang, Vietnam. Say hi.
Hi.
Hello. Hey. Hi. Wala na?
Because you are a VIP. You are VIP because you are one of the first group that travel to here in the summer season.
Choose your favorite one.
Welcome to Vietnam. Ano siya? Yung Mama Mary. Ano? Buda yun. Hindi yan Monte Maria. Monte Maria. Mama Mary. Pag... Ano? Hello. Sarap. Hi. Avocado coffee. Low.
Guys, ang ganda dito. Hala! Boss! Bossing! Nakatulog si boss, guys. Where?
There.
So we are here currently in Hoi An. So Hoi An is one of the ancient town of Da Nang here in Vietnam, and we usually it's actually called as the City of Lanterns because every night people used to light up lanterns and put up in the sky while riding the boats in the river. And yeah, they've got nights. They've got nightlife here. They've got night markets, and they've got plenty of stalls where we can get and see some of their memorabilia.
40.
Lasang mapera mo.
Shoutout sa nag-edit dyan. Manong ulam. Ay, manong gusto mong ulam?
Kasi kung kakanan, papuntang break. Good morning, guys. Ay, may mga karne pa pala ako. Day 2 of traveling here in Vietnam. So comfy here.
Kuya Cha, paano Kuya Cha?
We're going to ride a cable car para makaakyat doon sa Manahil. This will be the ticket for the cable car and for our lunch.
Yung pamagay-putin niya. Get.
1, 2, 3, go. Hi, Jashki. Mamski.
Hi!
Pray na si Mamski. O, pray tayo.
Lord, guide niyo po kami, Panginoon, sa aming pag-cable car. Nawagi kayo po ang kasama namin. In the name of Jesus. Thank you!
May nakita to.
Hi guys.
Picture pa! 1, 2, 3!
Thank you for taking the video. Special
Be,
document.
Pretty.
Babalik ako dito with friends naman. May isang solo, may isang family, may couple,
Ay, oo.
Tapos merong elders,
May buntis din.
merong magkakaibigan. Ayun.
May malakas din. Malakas mang asar.
Iceberg, ang isa sa pinakamasayang bus ay nagko-consist ng kami. Bus number 3.
Bus number 3. Ay ma, ano masasabi niyo ma?
Ayaw-ayaw pa sa cruise ship, magsasayaw pa na.
Te, ikaw, te, enjoy te. Papa.
Okay.
Okay. Kuya.
Enjoy.
Day 3 here in Vietnam. Hindi ako nakakuha ng toothpick.
Hello.
Ito.